Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am in Hyde Park. Hyde Park is very well-known park in the central London. It's among the many hundreds of parks dotted around London in different boroughs of London. So I'm going to take you around to different places and locations and discuss and explain the history of Hyde Park. As you can see in my background is the main entrance and this Wellington Gallery. If I turn around, you can see this is another view of Hyde Park. Let's go around and record these clips. Later I'll join them together and share with you. I hope you like them. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. This famous and historical piece of land was first purchased or acquired by King Henry VIII from Westminster Abbey. Westminster Abbey has this land belonged to it, and King Henry VIII bought it and took it from them and turned into its favorite hunting ground for deer hunting and other wild animals. In the present day, the Hyde Park is spread over 352 acres of land, opened to the public back in 1637. An adjoining park on the left side is Kensington Gardens, and combined land together is 672 acres of land. Park was opened to the public in 1637 by King Charles I. ये यहाँ की वाइल्ड लाइफ है हाइड पार्क की. Ducks, swans, squirrels can be seen, and of course seagulls. As I have said earlier, this 16th century, this park was acquired by Henry VIII from Westminster Abbey. Then in 1637, King Charles turned into a public park for public to access, but it remained as a hunting ground for the royalty. But in 1642, by the Act of Parliament, by the Order of Parliament, Parliament ordered to be sold to the public as a public property, and it was sold at £17,000 at the time. And with this deer and other animals, £756, 16 shillings and 2 pence were paid for those animals who were housing in this large piece of land. It is total area of 672 acres of land. 352 acres belong to, as named as Hyde Park, and the rest of the land was known as Kensington Gardens. During early 18th century, this park was very well used for May Day celebrations after the Civil War, English Civil War of 1746. It became a public property, and today it is a public property. During the 18th century, this park was used for various functions. Beside royal passages from Kensington Palace to the Buckingham Palace, it was a point where people used to have duels, like swords duels, and as well as there were other functions. Great exhibitions were also held during 18th and 19th century. हाइड पार्क में इस बसी पार्क के अलावा यहाँ पर 2 और 3 बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग मॉन्यूमेंट्स भी हैं, जगहें भी हैं. एक तो फेमस स्पीकर्स कॉर्नर है, जहाँ मैं थोड़ी देर में जाऊँगा और वहाँ पर आपको दिखाऊँगा कि कैसे लोग अपने ख्यालात का इज़हार फ्री स्पीच के अंदर यहाँ पे कर रहे होते हैं, जिसमें रिलीजियस, पॉलिटिक्स एंड सोशल अफेयर्स आर डिस्कस्ड एट लार्ज. On the left side of this, you can see in distance is the Serpentine Lake, very well known, a very old lake. This lake was derived from Westbourne River. Westbourne River runs to the west of London, and a lake was created by drawing the water from that river